Nope. Fuck that shit. All right, guys. Are y'all ready for some offline TV and friends?
I want to see her bite into it. There's no way.
No! I have to wash it first.
No, you don't. You won't. You won't. She won't.
You guys,
she won't do it. She won't do it. There's no way.
It's just a tomato!
This is insane.
It's
She wouldn't.
literally just a tomato, and they're
Bite it,
making
I
it
dare
sound
you.
like this is the craziest
Wait, is she just biting into a tomato?
thing in the world.
She wouldn't. She's eating it like an apple.
Wait, is that weird? Wait, is that weird? I feel like that's not that weird. I mean, like, I wouldn't go out of my way to bite into a tomato, but I can't really think of like a tomato being something that's so weird to bite into. Are we crazy?
She ate it like an apple.
It's just a tomato. Tomatoes are good.
Like if it was like an onion or a potato, I'd be like, okay, that's kind of gross. But like a tomato, dude, a tomato is like juicy.
Oh God.
Isn't it because does Ray hate tomatoes? I thought Jody hated tomatoes.
No.
There's no way you guys are reacting like this about a tomato.
No. They're not bad, but just on its own, like here.
Wait, I love tomatoes though.
He's sniffing it.
I was like, almost took like a Squidward bite.
I saw you threw it. He's overreacting, and for what? Dramatic, and for what?
The most important word you should never use again. For example, when asked, do you take this man to be a lawfully wedded husband? She says, sure.
Okay, to be fair, that's sure with a period, okay? I mean, if you Google is the word sure bad, you're gonna get articles that support that. True. Is the word sure good? Sure is the most infuriating way to say yes. Never mind. Okay, anyway,
Guys, I'm really good at this whole Among Us thing. And you want to know why?
Shut the fuck
I've
up.
learned the important things. And the important things is that it's not about winning, it's about hiding.
Guys, if she dies in the next 5 seconds, any primers?
And staying alive for a long time. And then...
Ah, yes, the classic.
You're juking me, bro.
I'm so fucking fast, bro. You have no good defense. Huge defense, daddy.
Dude, this is... Okay, do you know what's really funny? Is that Anita was over at our place, and she was taking a Japanese lesson on her laptop, and she was doing it from our living room. This was the exact moment when Toast and Danny were clutching out in this round. And Danny was screaming at the fucking top of his lungs. Yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah, that's it. All three.
All three. These idiots.
So, I'm pretty sure the Japanese instructor thought that I was like an abusive boyfriend or something.
You're good.
Go left.
Go straight. I got you. Go straight.
Thanks. You're a real one, daddy. You're a real one.
4, 3.
That one's on me. Defense. What a pass. Guys, player.
What the fuck? Insane last second block. 4, 3.
One's on me.
Dude, Fall Guy is low-key kind of fun. I just wish it didn't take so fucking long between rounds for shit to happen. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, when Danny is screaming at the fucking top of his lungs, Anita is literally like 10 feet away taking a Japanese lesson.
Insane last second block.
He just got back from his walk with the walker. Come here.
Dude, Crash lost his balls and he's so sad. That poor boy. He lost everything.
Did you see him miss the step and now he's scared to come back up? Come on, you can do it. Okay, or we go to bed. Okay.
Go into the middle stall. Do you see that hole?
What the fuck?
Yep.
No,
Apparently. What?
Yeah, what? No, go ahead.
Lil Bleach was seen using this.
What?
Yes.
That's
Tommy,
my
I already
son.
told you this.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh no.
Like,
Oh no. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't. I tried. I can't. I have to skip this. I have to. It hurts too bad. It hurts too bad. No, you can't make me. You can make me. Angelica Violet, they're gonna reach on the Prime for 2 months. Okay, fine. I'll watch.
Goo goo gaga poopsie in my diaper wifey.
Oh, no!
No.
Dad!
Just, yeah. Shove it in my ear. No way! He's fingering my ear. Just, yeah. Shove it in my ears.
In this economy, yeah, you might as well just cut off my arm. Wait, you're gonna cut off my arm? Oh! Oh! What are you doing? Wait, you're a murderer?
Hey, you're still going. You're still going.
You stabbed me in the spleen. How did you know where my spleen was? Wait, I had cancer there? You just saved my life? I think I love you.
March!
You may now kiss the bride. Wait a second, my ex-wife, Brenda.
March!
I don't know what's going on. This is too much. It's just too much. Oh?
No.
You got the recovery. You got the recovery. Oh my god.
Oh? Pop off. Pop off.
Move. This is the quick. This is my quick.
Albert, please. No quick. No more quick. No more quick.
Oh! Fucking got him.
Damn, I really shouldn't have said anything.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
No.
She needs 3 more. You got this. I qualified. Yes, let's go, Neon!
Oh! Oh god! Oh god! That's fuck! That sucks. I'm sorry.
Are you serious?
And that was your
Holy shit! That's so scary. Oh my god! That is. Oh god! That's fucking terrifying.
buying points.
Oh, that's so.
Peepo, look at that face. Look at that face, Peepo. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
All right, I like it.
All right, Yvonne's gonna pop off here. She's gonna pop off. 3 headshots.
Oh shit.
Oh.
My bad.
Fucking hinge.
Watch tiles. Oh yeah, you're already there. They're gonna come from tiles, Saikuno.
Tiles.
You guys are so dumb. You guys are so dumb.
Right.
Oh, this was. I changed the scene at the perfect time. That I thought that I didn't change the scene. Also, same shirt.
I have never been disrespected like that ever in my life.
Whoever found that needs to go
Let's
dig
find
in
some
more.
Leslie clips.
Okay, next.
Hey, editor.
We don't have. There's none that exist that are like that.
Good thing I don't have any embarrassing clips. I can't believe you've done this. Can't believe you've done this. I can't believe it. How could you? I thought we had a good thing going. I can't believe you've done this. All right. Damn, I was skinnier back then. Pain.
Oh shit.
Nice. You're welcome, chat.
keep happening to me. There's no way.
She's fucking chanting a curse. She's chanting a curse.
You know, I called you because I wanted to like catch up and all that song. But you know my song, my hit single, "If You're Broke, I'm Busy."
Damn, bruh, I thought we were friends. Damn.
No, Tony, you're an exception. You're an exception. You're an
Nah,
exception.
nah,
you're an
I
exception.
get
You're an
it, I
exception.
get it.
Hey, will you be on
I'm
this?
poor.
Will you be
Do you need me to get the editor's address? We'll talk in DMs. Don't worry.
What the fuck?
There shall be vengeance.
Later this week, and give me a fucking drifting lesson, bitch.
You better watch your fucking mouth. Don't you fucking talk to me like I'm everything I fucking done. I'm everything I fucking done. Are you fucking serious? You know how many fucking times I can't fucking believe. Tony, you will not reach your voice at me.
No, wait. Oh,
Nice.
we got him, boys.
One enemy remaining.
They just gave you orbs.
Can someone make a gif of this, but there's a keyboard underneath Peepo? And that'll be the new chatting. Peepo chatting. Just like.
I love it. I don't think it hit though. I didn't hit. It's a little too. Oh, he messed up.
Oh, you messed up. You could have stayed.
Why is it? Wait, can you
Wait,
get
you
this
can
side?
still get it.
I think it's.
Fucking got him.
Oh, I lit him 125 already. Oh.
Yeah, but you could have got half.
That's so funny. When I ult in.
Okay, John is an insane monster.
Oh, CT.
Oh God!
Wait, what?
I do remember this.
God, he's so fucking
And
hot.
here's the thing: we just replay it with someone else playing it.
It's endless content. Oh fuck.
Ray, what are you doing, Ray? What are you doing?
I was busted nut.
Peter, your cat looks like
Sean
the cat
Dog,
I had for 20
21
years of
months.
my life. It makes me happy every time I see them less than 3.
I'm giving away my cat. Anyway, good video. Now it's time for the offline TV video, motherfuckers! Wow, pre-watched
Hey guys,
Weird Champ.